Wait, what? That's amazing.
Hello.
Hi.
Very nice
Hi,
to meet
I'm
you.
Tammy.
Julian, nice to meet
Julian,
you.
what's happening? How you guys doing?
Doing
Great.
good.
Julian, I'm gonna start with you. Why'd you decide to go on this journey? What do you hope to learn?
I hope to just learn about my family members. I think it's cool to like see what someone in your family did, you know?
So, Aunt Tammy, tell me why you're here. Why now?
I didn't have that father-daughter relationship through
Okay.
divorce, and I've been able to reconnect a lot more with my father. I would love to be able to pass something to him.
Here is your family tree that we built with our sponsor, Ancestry.
So we got you right there, Tammy.
Okay.
That's you. We got your dad there.
Yes,
And here's your grandma, Marjorie Howell Wellington.
correct.
I want to throw out a name to you, John Baisley. Does that name
No,
sound familiar at all?
not at all.
Not to me.
So John Baisley, Tammy, was your third great-grandfather. So here, read this over from top to bottom. Tell me what you see.
Advertisements, Jay Baisley, furnishing undertaker.
An undertaker.
And today, we actually call that a funeral director.
I know nothing, absolutely nothing about John Baisley.
Well, that's what this journey's about, right?
Right.
Finding all this stuff out.
Yeah.
So you guys know where we're going then, right?
Brooklyn.
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 Brooklyn. We're going to Brooklyn, yeah. You guys ready to take a cross-country trip?
I'm ready.
Let's do
I'm
it.
very
Let's do it.
ready.
Brooklyn, here we come. Welcome to Brooklyn. This is the Greenwood Cemetery, established in 1838.
So with John Baisley being an undertaker, I wonder if this has something to do with it.
We have a document I want you guys to check out.
John Baisley and the Yellow Fever. John Baisley buried most of those who died in Fort Hamilton in this city of that disease. Though other undertakers refused through fear of the disease, he was unquestionably more exposed to the contagion than any other man. He also attended to and nursed the sick and dying. Services in some cases were rendered without receiving or expecting any pay therefor. January 5th, 1857.
1857.
Yeah, 1857.
Seems like a great man and like a hero to the city, honestly.
Does that give you any insight on how you want to handle or deal with people in the future?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I think just being selfless, you know, and looking out for others too.
So you notice anything, see anything, any names or anything popping out to you?
The name Howell, my dad's mom, Marjorie, her middle name was Howell.
Oh, so your grandmother.
Yes.
It's got something else I want to show you here. Here, check this out here.
James Howell Jr., regular Democratic nomination for, oh, well,
Wait, what?
I feel like you caught something there, Junior.
Yeah.
What'd you catch?
the mayor part, James Howell.
You indeed had a relative who was a mayor here in Brooklyn.
That's amazing.
Our next stop will help them iron out even more of their family history.
There is a connection as to why you guys are here. I want you guys to check it out.
James Howell Jr., Central Iron Works, Brooklyn, New York, manufacturer of plain and ornamental.
For cemeteries and buildings.
So he owned an iron shop.
Oh, wow.
Wow, he was a hard worker.
Well, speaking of hard work, we're gonna be building some stuff the way your ancestors and relatives would have been getting some of this work done, all right?
Strike. Okay, stop. Strike. I'm enjoying it a lot. Are you?
it, yeah.
There's your leaf.
That's like a leaf right off the family tree right there.
Another piece of history.
Let's make like a tree and leaf.
Oh, yes.
To show them the impact their family has truly had on Brooklyn, there's one last stop to make at the Brooklyn Bridge.
When you guys look at this, I mean, this is one of the biggest pieces of Americana right here. It's so iconic.
Look how grand it is.
Yeah, right?
Now, there is something important about this bridge that relates to James Howell Jr.
Okay.
So I want you to check this out. This is his obituary.
James Howell passes away. Bridge president and former mayor succumbs after long illness. Wow.
Bridge president?
In 1885, James Howell became the president of the trustees and remained so until his death. He was credited for carrying out many great improvements on the bridge during his time in that position.
Wow.
Now you have that story now. It's complete. How do you feel about that?
Just in awe. It's just amazing.